Hi, everybody. Today is Wednesday, February 28th. And first of all, I wanted to thank you all for your participation with our guest speaker yesterday, Tuesday, February 27th. Everyone was in attendance, which was perfect. And I've updated the gradebook to reflect that you got 100% for your attendance. So once again, thank you very much. I wanted to take a minute to talk about our midterm exam, which will be held next Tuesday, March 5th, in our regular classroom, SM 120, at our lab time, 3 o'clock. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the Moodle page and a little bit about what to expect. Now, in the past, sometimes I have had two parts to the midterm. I've had one part where students take a written exam, and one part where we do a practical part of the exam with using the equipment. But this year, we're just going to do the written exam. So what I want to show you is there are practice exams for you to get ready. Engineering surveying is right here on the Moodle page. Practical surveying is right here. The material that we've done is taken directly from the textbook and directly from our lab experiences together. There will be approximately 10 questions. Practical surveying is all short answer. Engineering surveying is a combination of short answer and problem solving. So if you're in engineering surveying, please bring your calculator. I do have engineering comp paper, so I'll bring that for you to take the exam on. Practical surveying, all you'll really need is a writing implement and some paper. Anyway, so the exam will be taken during that lab period, the regular lab period. And it's worth 25% of your overall grade in the class. So it's very important that you come and you do a good job. Now, the exams are not open book. However, you're allowed to prepare a study sheet. So if you bring with you, the rule is the study sheet has to be written in your own handwriting, but you can bring a standard size piece of paper like this, written in your own handwriting, anything on it that you want. So you can take formulas, you can take worked out problems, you can take quotes from your book. You can write as small as you want, you can write on both sides, but you cannot have it like photocopied or have somebody else's handwriting. It has to be you who did it. And I would suggest that preparing that study sheet is actually a big part of your studying for the grade, for the class, for the midterm exam, because it will give you a chance to sort of look over everything and kind of cull out what's more important, what's going to be, what's easier for you, what's harder for you, and so forth. So the material will be taken evenly from the material we've covered in class, and everything will be equally weighted. So you will probably find that some of the problems are easier than others for you, but they still have the same weight. So just spend some time getting ready for the exam in that way. All right, so I've updated our Moodle page, just so you know. Midterm exam proctored taken during our exam period, March 5th, 2024, from 3 to 4:40 p.m. in SM 120. I have other students in other classes who may join us for different midterm exams, but that won't affect your performance at all. Just continue working and we'll be fine. Now, I fully expect that all of you will be there during that time. If you have an excused absence, if there is something that leads you to not be there, you need to make sure that you give me documentation so that we can make sure that that is true. And you also need to inform me ahead of time. So my plan is that all of us will be in SM 120 together from 3 to 4:40 on Tuesday, March 5th, and you'll all be taking your exam at the same time. And in the event of an extenuating circumstance, you have to let me know ahead of time and give me documentation. All right, so that is it for getting ready for the midterm. I will be here all this week. And then I'll be here Monday and Tuesday of next week as well. I will be working remotely Wednesday through Friday of next week, but I'm still 100% available. And if you need anything, please let me know. At the end of next week, which would be Friday, March 8th, we will then go into spring break. So you'll be done for a week. You won't have any classes, and you won't have any work in my class. When we come back, we'll start on our new segment, work with some new equipment, and learn some more about land surveying and construction surveying and engineering surveying. So thank you for your hard work so far. If you have any questions about the midterm, please let me know. Take those practice exams, fill out your study sheets, and let me know if I can help. Have a great day, everybody.